Hey everyone, Sophia from Nomad Effect. Let's compare our original steering or damper from our 1988 Toyota Land Cruiser versus Dobinsons heavy-duty foam cell steering damper we got from Exit Off-Road. What is a steering stabilizer or damper, and what exactly does it do? And when should you consider changing or upgrading yours? What a steering stabilizer or damper does, like in its name, it stabilizes or dampens the side-to-side movement of the wheels. Kind of like how the shock absorber limits excessive suspension movement. You usually consider replacing your stabilizer or damper when you get larger tires or a lift kit, but other modifications such as a heavy-duty front bumper and winch kits can make your steering unstable, and then you want to replace your steering stabilizer or damper at that point too. Another thing to consider is that there are two stabilizer setups, a single stabilizer or a double stabilizer. A single stabilizer will usually get the job done, but if your steering is extra unstable, you might want to consider a double stabilizer. In this case, we're just sticking to the single stabilizer. As you can see, our original stabilizer damper is pretty shot. It's got cracks all over the place and it's rusty. Also, I'm not that strong and I can move this thing pretty easily. That's not good news. Dobinsons, on the other hand, it's pretty hard to move. Also, it's pretty thin compared to Dobinsons. It also doesn't have the foam cell technology that Dobinsons has. Dobinson's steering damper features an 18mm chrome rod, a 32mm bore, and a 50mm body with steel stone guard. The end mounting on Dobinson's kit is the same as the original mountings on the vehicle for convenience and easy install. Obviously, we expect for better performance with Dobinson's heavy-duty damper, but we'll definitely let you know when we test it and whether it's a good buy. Now let's get on to installing the new damper and our tie rod.
Got it?
Got it.
Boom, right? How's like I get you to do all the muscly jobs now? You're the muscle man.
I'm muscling now.
Yeah, you're the muscle in the relationship.
Like you do with this?
Yeah, so if I pull this back, you're gonna get your hands dirty for sure. So I don't want to turn this around, okay? So just push forward so I can pull it over the, okay? And then come in the middle and grab it for me. Yeah, okay? And I'm gonna go to you. Coming to you, coming to you, coming to you, coming to you. Okay. And then I want to keep it around that way, thanks. So all of our steering's loose right now. So that's what controls the wheel alignment.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No wonder I sleep so much sounder like after nowadays. Okay, so then these castle nuts here are really loose, right? So just unscrew the castle nut, poke it up through the the arm. And then just like loosely tighten it up.
It doesn't fit.
Canada WD-40. I've been trying to get the tie rod ends off our tie rods in the car, and they all came off super easy, except for this one. It's the last one, and I've just been trying. Like we tried yesterday afternoon, I couldn't get it off, and Sophia just went and bought some of these pipe wrenches. So I'm really hoping that now I have these, I'll just be able to like crank this thing off. Here's open. Oh, finally. Man, that thing's the worst. Hello?
They don't have 10mm.
Oh,
They're out of it.
Man.
They have a huge set for $70. So.
No, I don't worry about it. Fuck it. I don't know. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
So I'm gonna try the other one, the other place.
Yeah, thanks. Sorry.
It's okay? Okay, bye.
Wait, what? The things worked.
They did?
Yeah, we're out.
Woo! Okay, awesome.
Okay.
That's a plus.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thanks. Does it look cool at least?
Yeah, it totally does. With the new suspension in, like everything's looking very shiny and like new, you know? Just like ready. We're almost ready to actually take this around and feel good about it.
So I'm going to stop it so that you get the little like pin through there. So, and then the other one is here. I can't see the little hole. I don't know where it is. It's just there. Okay. So castle nut, and then I put a cotter pin through it. And I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to put a pin through here somewhere. Ask me how, I don't know. Or ask me why, I don't know. There's holes here, and the old ones had pins through them, I'm pretty sure. Like right down through the middle of that.
Oh,
So-
there's a mosquito that keeps eating me so hard.